In this video, I'll show you guys must have basic mods to make GTA San Andreas run smoothly and perfectly in 2026. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the essential pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing any mods, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Round up all these files inside the game folder, replace file in the destination, and then go back, open the limit adjuster, round up these two files inside the game folder. Once you're done, launch the game through this 14,000 KB. Before that, create a desktop shortcut, and that's how you can install basic mods in GTA San Andreas. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.